Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be taking you through how my weeks went, covering the Afreximbank annual meeting in Abuja. So the first day, I got to put on my dress and be set for the day. And I know it's going to be a very hectic week. Annual meetings is not a joke. Different activities happening at the same time, and you need to capture the event. So after taking, I have to take small picture. So I get to work. So I start my day with doing interviews upon interviews upon interview. So it's just a very busy day from morning till night, but it's what I enjoy doing, so I never get tired. So that is me there capturing the interview. So Abuja has been a very nice place, so I enjoyed the CNG bus. So it's been a very nice bus, fully AC. I'll just take you through the details. Enjoy. So it's a very nice bus. It's a very nice ride. Well, it's time to come down and do the work you have been sent to do. So I highlighted from the bus, setting out for another day of work. So that is me there. That is me. So just see the surrounding. Then again, we start our day with interviews, with the likes of the band and so many others dignitaries. So it's what I enjoy doing. Came standing all day. So that is the end of my day too. So it's a new start of another new day. So I love the atmosphere. I love nature so much. So after watching the nature, I set out. So have a cup of tea, green tea precisely. So I had to work. So today too as well is a very busy day. See Mr. President and the birthday boy, the birthday girl, the governor of Lagos State. So it's nice working today as well, and it's a very good day. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. So yes, now we are out again for the final day during the announcement of the new elected president. So I will leave you with the sightseeing of Abuja, the nice view of the area. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share and watch to the end.